Hi, I'm Pete Secor with Evergreen Telemetry. We've been talking about the exciting new capture hood called the 3-pounder. I want to talk about some of the other tools that we have to make the air balancer's job faster, easier, and more accurate than ever before. One thing I want to point out now is about return air or exhaust mode for the hood. It turns out that when you consider the resistance of air that's moving in the exhaust mode, that the resistance of this particular shape is relatively high. That causes the reading to be lower than it otherwise would be. We developed this tool. It's called the bell mouth belt, and it attaches to the bottom of the skirt, and it looks like this. What this tool does is it shapes the air as it enters the skirt in such a way that the resistance is reduced by 95%. That gives the air balancer a far more accurate reading than was ever possible before. And the nice thing about this particular tool is it's very lightweight, it's made out of foam, and it folds up into a small package. It's easy to carry to the next job. Now, the next tool I want to talk about is how to achieve an operating range of 30 CFM all the way to 3,000 CFM. No longer do you need to carry multiple hoods on a big commercial job. One hood does it all. The way we do it is through flow plates. A flow plate like this will restrict the opening, in this particular case, to 3/10 of a square foot. That allows the user to measure quickly and accurately all the way down to 30 CFM. A plate like this will give a range of 90 to 900 CFM, and with no plate at all in the capture hood, the range is from about 200 CFM to 3,000 CFM. The opening of the capture hood is about 50% larger than the opening of traditional capture hoods, so that supports the high end. How are these plates attached? There have been flow plates used in capture hoods over the years. However, none have been so easy to install. The plates are installed from the bottom, so the capture hood does not have to be broken down for them to be attached. The plate goes right onto the bottom of the capture hood and fits right against the velocity grid. An O-ring holds the middle in place, and the elastic tubing of the bottom of the skirt holds the outside of the plate in its proper position. Finally, I want to talk about how do you get the hood to a grill if it's in a difficult position, if it's high, if it's a sidewall grid. We have tools to deal with that now. This hood, being 3-pound, makes it easier than ever. The typical handle that comes with the hood is like this, very lightweight and short. An optional handle is like this extension pole, goes from 2 feet to 4 feet and fits into the same slot. There are larger poles on the market. Here's one from Rubbermaid that has the same sort of attachment mechanism. Many of you are familiar with this type of a pole. You have these already in stock. This one goes from 2 feet to 4 feet, but there are these that go all the way to 16 feet. The thread is an Acme thread. For our 3-pounder capture hood, we have this type of an adapter. This adapts to the Acme thread and allows you to use the poles that you already have with the new 3-pounder capture hood. Finally, sidewalls. We have the 20-degree adapter that fits on the bottom of the capture hood and allows the extension pole to be inserted at an angle. I'll demonstrate. So this is the 20-degree adapter installed on the bottom of the capture hood. If I need to go up to a sidewall diffuser like this, and then as we talked about before, the reading is coming to my wrist. Thank you very much. Let me summarize the key attributes of this important new capture hood system. Number one, it only weighs 3 pounds. It's far easier on the user, his back, his shoulders. Number two, detachable magnets allow it to hang from the ceiling if the ceiling has ferrous strips. 3, the user in the field can replace the seal around the top of the skirt. Number 4, a variety of attachments so that you can reach the grill no matter how high or how difficult the position. In almost always you can avoid the use of a ladder. Also, the bell mouth belt almost completely eliminates the typical resistance seen with exhaust mode readings. And then finally, through the use of plates, an unprecedented range for a capture hood of 30 CFM all the way to 3,000. So contact us today and arrange a free field trial.